When the alarm sounds, will you be ready to answer the call? At EVIT, our Fire and Emergency Services program trains you to protect and serve your community. Starting now, you'll get hands-on experience with live fire scenarios, emergency response drills, and fire apparatus operation, the kind of training that builds both skill and confidence. Earn your CPR card, hazmat training, and wildland certification, all while developing the leadership and critical thinking skills that emergency services demand. Whether you're aiming to be a firefighter, EMT, paramedic, or fire inspector, this is where your journey begins. This is where you find your purpose and the strength to lead when every second counts. Your future, your way, at EVIT. Enroll today at evit.edu.